Hi everyone, I'm Emily. I've been asked to do a 1-minute video on animals. So today it's a bird. We're going to do a circle. Circle. Then we're going to go touch that bit there. This is a wing. We're going to touch this bit here. And then you're going to rub out some stuff in a minute, but not yet. Beak there. Little line. Eye. It's a bit of fun to try. I like taking my time, but it's quite fun to see if you could do a bird. Right, get your rubber, get your eraser, and you're going to erase this little bit out, this bit out, and obviously, once you're finished, you can colour it however you like. However you like. Woo. Okay, so there is roughly your bird, 52 minutes. I'm doing great. You could even put it on a log. Oh, there we are. Happy drawing. Mwah.